Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we have mail. As you can tell, this is from AliExpress. Oh, it's packages in the package, of course. Let's see. Rip this sucker open. Almost felt like something else there. I'm so careful with these. I have cut things before. See what we got. I can't even remember. I'll tell you, there's been so much going on. Oh. Check them out. I bought some Barbie size that I'm hoping will fit Blythe. Little skates. We can try those on Daisy in a minute. And this is feeling odd. I don't know what this is. Let's see if I can open this carefully. I have either forgotten what this is or going to be surprised they sent me what I didn't order. Oh, yeah, okay. It's, what do you call them? Stylus pins. I use those. I have, started to say monkey paws. Bear paws on my telephone. Can't hardly read what I put in anyway. Oh, okay. Here's some earrings. Cool. Let's see what we got. I like the way they send these. Looks like this might be taped. No? Oh, no. Okay. These are not what I ordered. The heck? Oh, no. Maybe. Let me see here. If I had glasses on, it might help. Okay. Skulls. Yes, that is what I ordered. Little skulls. I thought these would be cute for my Amaya Rain. And I love these little containers. That's perfect for doll earrings. And then I signed up for, if you haven't heard, I'm sure y'all have, Tammy Polly and Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Polly and the Tappingflamingo, Terry, are doing an online Blythe convention event in September, the 16th, 17th, and 18th. And I signed up immediately when I heard, as soon as I could. Oh my God, isn't that the cutest thing? They're giving that doll away. Her name is Moonbeam. That's one of the things about their convention, or what did she call it? Event. Online Blythe event is what I'm going to call it. It was $10 to sign up. They're going to have it online. It's going to be like they're going to do crafts and stuff. And I don't know what all. And I signed up for a goodie bag. Oh my goodness, that is a goodie thing. And look at the peace sign. Tammy's so cute. She has those. Tell you what I love. Tammy's postcards. She not only sends these out to people, she also sells them. Oh, I think there's more than one. Oh, look at this. Thank you, Tammy. I love these. I have a collection of these Blythe postcards. They are a good grade. You can send these to your friends or collect them or make a collage or do all kinds of stuff. This doll is Moonbeam. She did this as a hippie collab, in fact, with me. And she's going to give that doll away, which I'm surprised. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous doll. Look at this dress. Look at the little lace. Wow, where'd you even get that, Tammy? Very cute. And she put snaps on that, not Velcro. Wow. Tammy's craftsmanship's really nice, too. Let's see what else we got. Okay, this looks like a kit. Now, I'm going to save this and see if this isn't to do at the event. The theme is peace. Oh, maybe it's a bracelet. I see. Okay, I'm thinking, uh-oh, I only got one. I thought it was earrings.
Oh, there are two earrings.
There is two earrings hooks. Well, anyway, the theme is peace, and we'll see what I need there. This is the goodie bag, and what's in there, projects. Let's see what these are. Oh, cute. Anyway, the theme is peace. Isn't that the cutest? Oh, cute. And that's from Tappingflamingo. Terry makes the most beautiful jewelry. Little piece. Wear that yourself. The other one your Blythe can wear. How cute is that? Really cute, guys. Thank you so much. And I meant to say, I think the goodie bags are sold out. Now, I don't know if they're replacing them. That's their deal. I know I got mine because as soon as I could, I paid. But I do know that Tammy sells Blythe outfits and postcards and different things on her Etsy shop, which is Kawaii Doll Shop. And Tappingflamingo has a Etsy shop. And you can go and buy, and I don't know if you can get these exact items, but they have nice items on their shop. So this was my mail today. Thank you, guys. And let's try these on Daisy. This is only slit this far. I might be able to slit this all the way down and shove a Blythe foot in, but I'm not willing to. But these sure are cute for a Barbie. I am looking forward to you putting these on a Barbie. I love skates for dolls. These were just cheap, and I thought I'd buy them on AliExpress. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.